Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel for another video. Today's video is going to be a day in my life. So I'm going to be bringing you guys along my day with me. It is in the morning, I think 11 o'clock, 11:27 right now. And we have some fun things going on today. We are actually going to look at a wedding venue here in the next couple of hours. And I have some cleaning to do around the house. Today is Monday, so today is the day where I get a ton of stuff done. It's pretty much my catch-all day. So I'm doing laundry right now. We do a bunch of cleaning. So we got lots going on today, and I wanted to bring you guys to our wedding venue so that you could actually see kind of what we're thinking. I don't know how much I can film while we're walking through the tour. I did want my mom to come with us, but it looks like the schedules are just conflicting, so she probably won't be able to come with us, but hopefully I can show her some of the footage maybe, I don't know. But I just wanted to go ahead and intro this video. I'm actually going to make myself a smoothie right now because I'm getting a little bit hungry. I woke up around 9 o'clock, so I need to make myself just a little snack before we head out. So I'm actually going to be using the Bellway Super Fiber Plant Protein. I am so excited for this, you guys. I have been using this for the past couple weeks and it is my absolute favorite. So if you guys didn't know, I am kind of lactose intolerant, so it was really important to me to get a protein powder that was plant-based so that it didn't have dairy in it. So they did send over two flavors. They sent over their vanilla flavor right here, and they also sent over their chocolate flavor as well. I personally love the chocolate flavor just a little bit more. The vanilla flavor is also good, but I've been using the chocolate just a little bit more. Bellway is all organic and natural. It's keto, and it also is gluten-free, which is awesome. So per scoop, there's 120 calories, 0 grams of sugar, and 5 grams of carbs with 20 grams of protein as well. So this is a great recovery drink to mix up once you come back from the gym, which we have been going to the gym so much more, which makes me feel so much better. We actually went yesterday because we weren't gonna go today, but we've been waking up at 6 a.m. every single morning practically to go to the gym and just get it over with before our day gets started. So been absolutely loving the way that I've been feeling, and this has been a huge help as well. I've loved making a protein shake or like a protein smoothie every single morning. You can drink this 1 to 3 times a day, so it is fine to drink every single day. I will have this link down below for you guys if you are interested. I do also have a discount code for you guys, so make sure to check the description box down below if you guys are interested. I will show you what I will be putting in mine so that you can see how I make mine exactly. All right, so this is what I'm gonna be putting into my smoothie. So I'm gonna be doing some strawberries, banana. This is the milk that I use. It's the Fairlife, and this is lactose free. It's my favorite milk ever. And then of course using the Bellway Super Fiber Plant Protein in the flavor chocolate. So I'm just going to put all of that into my little Ninja cup and then screwing on the little blender top, and we will blend all of that together. Protein smoothie mixed up, I'm gonna go ahead and finish up some cleaning. Curtis just got home as well. So we're going to finish up the things that we need to get done around the house, and then we're going to actually head over to the house potentially and talk to a concrete guy about our landscaping in the back and what we wanna do. So we may head over there before we go to the wedding venue, and I will also share as much footage as I can when we get to the wedding venue. And like I said, if you guys are interested in checking out Bellway's plant-based protein, I will have the link in the description box down below.
favorite song, I'll put it on repeat. I could wait for you forever, through the storms or any weather. Yeah, you're like New York in the sunshine. I'm a fool, yeah, I got love line. And ooh yeah, got my heart out and it's covered in...
So we just got back from going to the venue and also running by the house. We stopped by the grocery store to get a few things. We're gonna make like some chicken tacos tonight. But we fell in love, even more in love with the venue. We are completely sold on it. We went ahead and booked the date. So we have set a date, which I don't think I've told you guys here on YouTube, but it is going to be next August. I'll probably tell you guys like the exact date one of these days, but it is next August, so August 2022. And we are super excited. We absolutely loved the venue. The like whole area was just amazing. I really like the brides area too. It was like totally up my alley. I saw pictures online, but I like didn't see the whole thing obviously, so that was really cool to see. And then we also saw the area where all of our guests will gather, like after the ceremony is over. They serve like drinks and hors d'oeuvres and stuff like that while we're taking pictures before the reception starts. So overall, a really good experience. We love the location, really pretty views. It was really cloudy today, so you guys couldn't see Pikes Peak, but the mountain will be in the background, and they will also have cows as well. I was gonna tell you guys that. They're gonna bring their cows in like, I think, a week, she said, or so. When we get married in August of next year, they will have the cows there, which will be kind of cool to have those in our pictures. And then we are thinking about getting the horse and carriage too. She was showing us some pictures of people that have done that, and we kind of want to do that as well. So lots of things to think about, but honestly, other than my dress and photographer and videographer, we don't really have much else to plan, which is amazing. Like, we just got the all-inclusive with the venue, so they kind of take care of most things, which is really nice. But I hope that you guys enjoyed this day in the life type of video and liked coming along, looking at our venue. I would love to hear your guys' opinions and what you think of the venue in the comments down below. Thank you guys so much for watching as always. And if you are not already, make sure to follow me on Instagram. I post a lot more over there than I do here on my YouTube channel. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye, stay marvelous.